Zucchini bread meets carrot cake, and you're just gonna love how moist and fluffy this is. So let's get started. Okay, it's not your typical dessert recipe, but if you like carrot cake and zucchini bread or muffins, then this recipe is just for you. Now, while looking for an easy carrot cake, I stumbled across this recipe years ago. It's been hiding inside of the recipe archives of the blog since 2011. And boy, oh boy, I am so happy to make these for you today. Now that I've grated the zucchini and carrots, we can move on to the rest of the recipe. I'm gonna preheat my oven and spray a baking pan. To a large bowl, let's add the flour, which by the way, you can totally use a 1-to-1 all-purpose gluten-free flour for this recipe and make it entirely gluten-free. Next, we're gonna add baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Let's stir and set aside. In a separate bowl, I'm gonna whisk my eggs. Now I'm gonna grate a little fresh ginger that I always keep in the freezer for this type of occasions. I just peel it and put it in a zip bag for when I need it. Next, we're gonna add some shredded carrots, our zucchini, sugar, raisins, melted butter, honey, and vanilla. Let's give everything a good toss to combine. Now, some of you might be thinking sugar and honey. Now, due to the high moisture content in both brown sugar and honey, the bars stay really moist and soft. So I really like this flavor combination. You can always reduce the amount, but make sure you check the recipe link right below this video. In batches, we're gonna add the dry ingredients to our wet ingredients, stirring to combine after each addition. Once you have a smooth batter, you're gonna pour it into the cake pan and smooth it out. So now let's bake it, and meanwhile, I'm off to make some coffee. Oh my gosh, the place smells heavenly. Let's check this. The toothpaste came out clean, so they are ready. I've let this cool down for about 10 minutes, and now they're ready to slice. Oh my, it's perfectly moist, super fluffy inside. I can't wait to bite in. Perfection. The ginger is barely there. It adds the right amount of spice in here. It's super moist with that zucchini. I mean, if it weren't for the specks of green and orange, you'd never guess there were vegetables in it. Grab the recipe in the link below this video, and while you're down there, hit that red subscribe button. A new video comes out every single week. See you next time.